Right, hello again. This is Rubber Band. This is going to be my formal entry into Lockpicking Coal Miners 100 subscriber entry. So this is a Commando padlock. These are pretty pick resistant, and I've been having kind of an on and off day as far as getting things open. So let's see if I can't get this open and get my official drawing into the giveaway. So I'm gonna try picking off to the side here so we have a better angle. So all right, I should be able to see mostly what I'm doing. All right, so here we go. I think Commando locks are a really fun pick. They've got really talkative pins. You can hear that probably. And they are just really fun picks. They don't get enough love, I think, in the lock sport. So hopefully this will kind of get their name out there a little bit. But here we go. Back on pin 5. Okay. Oh, 3. It's still kind of stuck. All right. All right, coming up front again. Let's see. Get some counter rotation there. Just a little bit. Oh, I'm on the turning tool. All right. And okay, I'm gonna just back off the tension a little bit. See if I can't get something to drop. Okay, good. Let's talk a little more. All right, I'm gonna use the wording. There we go. Got a good full set. Moving on to the next pins. Hopefully you can see the plug moving for the cylinder. Okay. Oh, just touched 4 and it went crazy. All right. Various states of disarray in here. Okay. All right. This is one of my unfinished right hands, so it's kind of arguing about what it wants to pick. All right. All right, back to 5, 4. Here's 3 again. Talking up a storm. All right. All right. Going off the warding here. Okay. Oh, maybe I'm hitting that rivet. It's kind of deadening my feedback. I don't know. All right. Oh, I'm full set. Let's see. It's kind of hard to pick around the camera. I'm like picking off at an angle, and like all of my traditional like attack vectors are kind of feeling weird. All right. Touch 1. I'm not getting like any feedback. Might have to reset this bad boy. Now, the odd thing is I have picked this probably 100 times. You know, I've got the keys around here somewhere. And just now that I'm trying to get stuff on camera again, everything's all messed up. Okay, there's an open. All right. Well, great. So anyway, that's my official entry. Sorry it took so long. Once again, I've been Rubber Band, and thanks for tuning in.